Hello everyone, in this video we will create this CV, a resume using Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So to create this resume or CV, so first of all we will come here to the insert. Whenever you open Word, Microsoft Word, come here to the insert menu and click on shapes. In here just take this rectangular. After that just draw it and insert a size for this 7 and 7. Okay, and come down and insert 7 and 40. See, we have inserted the size to this. So now let's remove the outline of this. No pill, and insert a color shape pill. Let's insert this color to this, and let's take another shape. See this one. Okay, here we have this shape. Just take this one, round rectangular. Okay, and draw it. Until the end. Insert size of 7 and 40. That is okay. Let's make it upper. And now we will make it round. So to make it round, just right click on this, edit points, and first of all delete this one, delete, and right click and delete point. So it took round shape, so let's make it a little bit down. Yeah, it is okay now. So now let's remove the outer line of this one also. Now let's enter our name and our designation, our major. Okay, here just come here to the insert and take a text box and click here, draw text box, click here, let's insert size to this one, make it in the center, down it, and just remove the shape color, no pill, and also outline, no outline, and change the color. Also this one, yeah, and copy now this one, copy this text box, copy, Ctrl V, paste it, developer, and decrease the size of this one. So that is okay now. So now let's insert the image here. So to insert the image, come here to the insert and present the image pictures and insert from device, and come here to the download, press this one, the image has inserted. Just come here and front up and decrease the size and just move it here. Now just make it round. So for that, come here, crop to shape and press this one. It took a round shape, and add a border to this. This is the border, and change the color of the border. So yeah, that is picture border. Change the color to this one. Yeah, it looks like this now. Just make it up. So that is okay. So now let's insert the contact details. So for that, copy again this text box, bring it here and make it on the right side, and just insert contact detail, decrease the size, and just draw a line under this. So to draw a line, just come here to the insert, the shapes, and just take a line. Draw it, change the size, and the color. Press on this line. After that, come here to the shape outline and just change the shape color. After that, now let's add our contact details. So for that, let's first of all take an icon, come here to the insert and to the icons. We should be connected to the internet. I have connected with the internet, so now let's search phone. Let's insert this one. That has inserted, so let's make it in front up. Drag it here and just resize it. Change the color of this. Assign this color, and let's insert now the number. So I have just made them italic, these text, okay, and I changed the font to Times Roman, okay. So it looks like this. Now I will add the email. So for the email, again come here to insert to the icons, and we should insert the email icon first. Email, and press enter, and let's press this icon and insert it. So that has inserted, so let's make it, drag it and bring that here. In front up and drag that here. Apply the same color, and now I will add the email. Just copy this one. For the location, copy this and just paste it here. Let's change the icon. Location, okay. Insert it. That has inserted, so let's make it. Let's remove this one, resize this. So this is about the contact detail. So now I will add the expertise or the skills part. So for that, let's first of all copy this. Select this one and this one. copy it and paste it and just drag it here. Let's change it to the expertise. Now I will insert all the expertise that I have. Okay, so these are the expertise which I have added. So now let's add the languages. Copy this and paste it. Just drag it down. Languages, so I will add just the languages now. So these are the languages. So now let's add the hobbies. So these are the hobbies. Okay, the left side has done. Okay, hobbies, languages, expertise, and contact detail all has done. Okay, so now we will move to the right side. On the right side, let's first of all insert a shape, a new shape. Let's take this one. We will just insert our detail here. Shape outline, no, and change the shape. Shape color is okay, same to this. Now let's add our summary, okay, objective here. So I have copied some text and I will paste that here. Let's join it together and we will just increase the size of this. Yeah, this is the objective that I have inserted. So now down, let's create another shape. Just come here to the shapes and this one and create that one. Edit points. Make it like this. Yeah, that is okay now. So let's change the color of this. And also remove the outline. So here I will just write experience. Let's make it bigger in size to the left size. That is okay. Okay, so now I will just write my experiences here. So this is the experience that I have wrote. Okay, these are here. You should write your experience, address, date in the main duties also here. And after that, now we will add the education field now. So for the education field, just copy this text box, paste it here and just make it here. Press shift and drag it down. Change it to the education, and after that here we should write now our education fields. So for the education field, just come here to the insert again as we did for the experience. Copy a text box, take a text box and create that here. And just remove the outline of that. After that, just take this dots and here we should write the first Bachelor of Science make it italic, and down we should write the address. And 2022. Same to this, we will have another one. Paste it here. Yeah, here these are our education fields. So it was the CV that we has created just in Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.